In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block someone on TikTok using any device, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung phone. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support more content like this. Now, let's get started. There are two simple ways to block someone on TikTok. You can either search for their profile directly, or if you come across their video while scrolling, just tap on their profile icon. Once you're on their profile, look at the top right corner and tap the arrow icon. A menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. From there, simply tap on block. TikTok will show you a quick message explaining what happens when you block someone. They won't be notified, but you also won't see their content anymore. To continue, just tap block again to confirm. That's it. This person is now blocked, and all their posts will no longer appear in your feed. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.